And happy Monday, everyone. The weather's going to be beautiful this weekend. It's a little windy out there right now, though. We are talking about life cycles this week. Can you draw a picture of how you have grown since a teeny little baby? What do you think you're going to look like as an adult? So when you grow up, what do you think you're going to look like? That's an actual fun activity to watch. Harper did that. I don't know how long. It was like when we first started online learning. She had to draw a picture of when she was a baby and what she thinks she was going to look like when she grew up to be a little bit older. So they're kind of neat to look at. I'd like to see those drawings posted. So if your parents could take pictures of what you do with that, that would be cool to look at, just to kind of think about our life cycle as, you know, we grow from babies to adults. Tomorrow we are bringing something to Zoom that we make or that we've made. If you don't make anything, that's fine. Come anyways. So it will be super neat to see if you've made anything. If not, again, you can come. I love the meetings, and we only have 3 weeks left as a second grade class. So come and join us. Even if you're someone who's shy, you can just sit there and we can talk to you. But I'm sure if you come and you see who's there, you will want to talk to us too. Sorry, Miss Lyle's talking to me about some stuff. Here's one of my favorite Go Noodle songs. It's called it's a rainbow one. Just click on the underlined rainbows. Enjoy, and I will see you all tomorrow for our Zoom meeting at 6:30. That's our morning message. Don't forget our Zoom meeting. Parents, I have some information for you. I think I can do full screen. Give me 2 seconds. I sent this letter out through Remind, but I also made a post in Facebook. So I'm just going to quickly go through it just to kind of make sure I hit on everything. Sometimes it's easier to understand what someone is thinking when they are speaking. So just real fast. We are not officially grading work, which I've said before, but we are keeping track of standards that your child is working on. So as we assign like certain standards, like for example, this week and last week have been fractions, we check off if your student has worked on those so that, and what they've done. Hopefully the second grade team has been able to reach your needs as a family throughout the week. I am checking in to see how that is going. So at the end of the year, this information is I believe is going to go on to your child's third grade teacher, in which they're going to use that to say, well, so-and-so has learned this and so-and-so has not learned that. So in saying that, all I'm doing when I call or when I text is trying to find out what your child and your family has been able to do. If you are not working in Google Classroom or Clever or just, using the website, and you're working in workbooks or worksheets or hands-on at home, that's all I need to know. But I do suggest that you are trying to follow along with the topics that we're learning. So because we're doing fractions, the week before that we did money. I'm asking that you make sure you follow those SOLs that we're working on. Reading's just as important. We're covering some standards of learning that when your child gets to third grade, they may talk about main idea and theme in third grade, which they do, but they're going to need that for their SOLs. And I can tell you from experience with the SOL questions on main idea and on theme, they're difficult in their wording. and how you think about the question and from the material that they give you. So the more you work on those areas between now and the end of third grade when they have to take that SOL, the better off they're going to be. So if you can make sure in reading you're following along with the SOLs that are being taught too, even if you're someone who's reading books outside of what Miss Lyle is assigning for reading this week. A couple more things, the grab and go reading bags and math bags will be available to pick up in Goodview May 22nd from 11 to 1 at the school at Goodview School. If you need to make arrangements for the bus to drop them off, please let me know and I will contact Mrs. Cash by Friday. Cool. Please let me know throughout the week if you need anything. The suggested learning is up for the week. Everything has been updated. Enjoy your week. It's going to be nicer towards the end, like I said. Today I wouldn't go outside because it's a little windy, but that's just me. All right, well, I hope you have a good day, and I will be back later on this evening for a reading of some sort. I'll probably just finish Twister on Tuesday and then move on to another book. But enjoy your day.